Right, good day to all my wonderful online viewers. Just to remind you, if this is your first time of watching this YouTube channel and you have not subscribed, it won't cost you money. Just press the subscribe button, strike the bell also for notification of other videos, and other videos when they come on board you'll be able to see them. Thank you for viewing. Let's continue. Now let us quickly move on to the second method of preparing alkane. That is hydrogenation of alkene. Alkene is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Alkene, look at the spelling here, is unsaturated hydrocarbon. And because it is unsaturated hydrocarbon, when you hydrogenate it, hydrogenation is a process of addition of hydrogen. When you hydrogenate it, you prepare alkane. Look at it. This is ethene plus hydrogen. The double bond will break. The catalyst here is nickel at about 200 degrees C temperature to give us ethane. That is how an alkane is prepared. Now, third method of preparing alkane, it is using Grignard reagent. Using Grignard reagent. What are Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent is alkyl. I have done a video on alkyl and alkane. Please, you have to go and watch that to understand this better. Alkyl, magnesium halide. Now, look at, this is the general molecular formula of alkene, CnH2n plus 1. MgCl is magnesium halide, which is magnesium chloride, but it's not the normal one. This is monochloride. It's supposed to be MgCl2, but because of the reaction of this alkyl, it is MgCl, magnesium halide. It could be magnesium bromide, it could be magnesium fluoride. So let us go on to see. Look at, when N equals 1, it becomes CH3. That general molecular formula CnH2n plus 1 becomes CH3MgCl. This is a methyl magnesium chloride. When N equals 2, it becomes what? CH3CH2MgCl. So I give to you this assignment. How can you prepare alkane using Grignard reagent? Listen, Grignard reagent react with water will give us alkane. I've given you a tip. The tip is, when Grignard reagent react with water, it's going to give alkane. So submit the answer in the comment below and you are good to go. You need to learn it again. Chemical properties of alkane. Number 1, because I have like 4, 5 of them that will be taught. So let us see. Number 1 is substitution reaction. Number 1 chemical properties of alkane is substitution reaction. And what is substitution? This is when alkane is replaced by a univalent atom. That is, the hydrogens in alkane are being replaced by univalent atoms like chlorine, like fluorine, like bromine, like iodine. Most especially the halogens. The halogens, I think you know, they are the group 7 elements. Now, see the full slide here. In the presence of light, to produce a succession of substituted products. Now, light is used as the catalyst in substitution reaction. Let us go on. Substitution reaction. This is number 1 chemical property. And look at it here. We have CH4, that is methane, reacting with chlorine in the presence of light. What you do is you do it where sunlight is. You don't do it in the dark. So when they are being added together, you have CH3Cl plus ACl, and CH3Cl is called monochloromethane. Mono as in one, chloro as in chlorine, methane as in the ray compound we are dealing with. So you take this one, this monochloromethane now, plus another chlorine in the presence of light is going to give you dichloromethane. Take note of that, write it down, and watch this video again and again. Let's move on to the next slide. You see here that dichloromethane plus a chlorine molecule in the presence of sunlight gives us trichloromethane. And let us see, when trichloromethane, it continues again in the presence of chlorine molecule, it gives tetrachloromethane. Can you call that tetrachloromethane? Please take note of this, watch this video, put them down so that you can know it very well. Now, the uses of the halogenated product of methane, that will be in the next video. Keep watching. Thank you.